You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, and if you want to learn more confusing medical terms from anatomy in particular, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Lipoma is one of the two correct pronunciations in English, or lipoma. Alright, so lipoma or lipoma is the two ways of pronouncing it, how to pronounce it in English, lipoma or lipoma, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.